When AI agents jump straight into writing code without a plan, they often produce what developers call agentic slop. Superpowers is the viral open-source framework designed to stop that cycle by enforcing a strict coding discipline. Created by Jesse Vincent, this project has surged to over 137,000 stars by April 2026, becoming the primary engine for making agents like Claude Code work autonomously with near-perfect reliability. The framework's no-negotiation workflow ensures that every task follows a mandatory sequence of design, planning, and testing before a single line of production code is written. It starts with Socratic brainstorming to refine your technical specifications. Once the design is approved, the agent breaks the work into bite-sized tasks with exact file paths and verification steps. This is followed by a rigorous test-driven development cycle, where the framework is actually programmed to delete any code written before a failing test exists. For large-scale projects, Superpowers can dispatch parallel subagents to execute these plans, using a two-stage review process to check for both specification compliance and code quality. It also includes a sophisticated four-phase debugging process and automatically manages isolated Git Worktrees to keep your main branch clean. The 2026 update even includes visual brainstorming tools, replacing messy text diagrams with high-fidelity architecture maps. By shifting the human's role from coder to architect and reviewer, Superpowers operates on the principle of evidence over claims. An agent is never allowed to declare a task finished until it can provide a passing test as proof. Whether you are using Claude Code, Cursor, or Windsurf, this framework provides the enforced discipline needed for hours of autonomous development. Master your agentic workflow by treating AI as a workforce that follows your rules. You can find the framework and the full skills library at github.com/obra/superpowers. Move beyond basic automation and start building with the enforced discipline of a coding superpower. If this breakdown helped you understand the architecture behind the code, do me a quick favor. Hit that like button. It's a small click for you, but it's the primary signal that tells YouTube this engineering content belongs in more developers' feeds. We're on a mission here at Blueprint Bytes to simplify the most complex systems. To join the build, hit subscribe. By joining us, you're making sure you never miss a deep dive into the open source tools shaping the future. Now, I want to hear from you. What's one repository or engineering concept that's been living rent-free in your head lately? Drop a comment below. I use your suggestions to curate every single quick look we produce. Finally, if you know a fellow dev or student who's struggling with this topic, share this video. Let's keep engineering simple and accessible for everyone. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next bite.